Hello, my name is Agustin Doffo, and today I'm gonna teach you how to prepare mate. This is the kit that you must have. This is to have hot water here inside. This is the mate. Inside of the mate it's yerba mate. You must fill it with 3/4 of yerba mate here, and this is called bombilla. What is important is the water has to be between 85 and 90 degrees, cannot be more, if not you're gonna burn your tongue. So let's prepare it. You have 3 simple steps to prepare the mate. First one is, of course, to fill it with yerba here until 3/4 of mate. Then you should put it on the side, like this, and then you put this under. So it will be something like that. Then you put the water inside, until here. Then you need to wait the water until the water goes away. It's like 1 minute you need to wait. Then you put it in normal position, and now just pull it a bit so it don't fall down. And after this simple steps, you have the mate ready to share and to enjoy with your family and with your person that you like.